Welcome! In front of me I have a Xiaomi Smart Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your smart band. Before we start, if you want to receive notifications from your iPhone on your smart band needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Mi Fitness application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your smart band. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, let's tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see list of my devices, and on that list you should see Xiaomi Smart Band 8. Tap on the info icon next to it, and right here you should see option called Share System Notifications, and this option should be enabled. If you don't see that option, you can close the settings for now, open the Mi Fitness application on your iPhone. In app, tap on device, scroll down, find the app notifications and tap on it, and here enable app notifications. And once you enable them, wait for a couple of seconds and you should see a pop-up on the screen of your iPhone with asking about permission for the notifications, if you want to allow permission for notifications, and maybe if you want to pair your band with your iPhone, and you need to allow the permission, and if you see the pair pop-up, you need to tap on pair. So once you're done with the permissions, you can close the app for now, reopen the settings, and go back to Bluetooth, find the Xiaomi Smart Band 8, tap on the info icon next to it, and now you should see the share system notifications, and this option should be enabled. Once it is, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down, and find the option called, or rather find the app, Mi Fitness app on the list. So it's gonna be right here. Find it, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings. You can open the Mi Fitness application on your iPhone, tap on device, and you should see your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 on the device page. Scroll down, find the app notifications, tap on them, turn on the notifications by tapping on the switch, and right here we can customize, rather enable and disable notifications for different apps and features. For example, phone, if you enable this, you will receive the notifications about calls. If you enable messages, you will receive notifications about the messages. Same for the mail, TikTok and stuff like that. So scroll through the list, enable the notifications for the apps or features you want. If you don't see the app or the feature on the list right here, you can enable the other option. And what this option does, it enables notifications for every app and feature on your iPhone that is not on this list right here. And how it works is basically, if you enable the notification for a feature or app, for example for messages, and then you receive the notification from the messages on your iPhone, that notification will be forwarded to your smart band. And if you disable it, it won't be forwarded, so you will see the notification only on your iPhone. So if you want to see notifications from apps or features on your smart band, you need to enable them right here. Okay, and once you're done customizing, you can close the app because you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna check if I have Discord right here. Let me check actually. I do. Am I logged in? Yes, I am. Okay, so I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. I should receive the notification, but I didn't for some reason. Oh, this time we got it. So we got the notification on our iPhone, and we should also get it on our smart band. So if I wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen, open the notification panel. As you can see, here we have it. So we can tap on it to read it, we can dismiss it, we can clear it, and stuff like that. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.